Now that, well, June is busting out all over, I bet what's on your mind is something like, what can I feed my beneficial gut bacteria? Well, June and July are good months for fruits and vegetables, particularly with skins, if you like your gut bacteria, or cruciferous vegetables. Zucchini and cucumbers are good because they've got skins. So if you're going to a picnic, say, instead of buying a jar of pickles, you can use the pickle juice from your favorite pickles and buy an organic cucumber, slice it, and put it in the pickle jar. And that jar will cost you about 75 cents. Or instead of store-bought coleslaw, just get organic cabbage and carrots at your farmer's market. And that'll run you about 50 cents per serving. You might need to buy the coleslaw dressing, but it's still a good deal. That will be a whole ton of coleslaw for your beneficial gut bacteria to munch on because we want to feed them too. If you want more suggestions like this, just contact me on my website contact page, which is healingoutsidethebox.com.